Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am doing a VR for Leanna over at It's a Deal. She is hosting her birthday challenge, which this year is a mini birthday challenge giveaway. Your package must be postmarked by August 31st. These are some examples of some mini items, embellishments, a card, pokey tools, etc. I will have Leanna's channel linked down below so you can check out all the details to her birthday challenge. I am sending her this little box. I did not make this. This was gifted to me in Happy Mail. It was just so cute. I thought I would share it and send it to Leanna. This is a mini embellishment type box. Inside, I made some mini bag toppers. I did use the Maggie Holmes collection. I think I used Garden Party and Woodland Grove. These are the bag toppers. I did include mini baggies to go with those. Also sending her some mini gems, mini bow clips, a jar of mini clay bit flowers, stars, as well as some clay bit rainbows. Those are super cute. Using the same paper pads, I made some mini butterflies, as well as some mini envelopes. I am sending her some mini samples of my dewdrops. And on this side, I made some mini rosettes. We have this one, and this one, and this one. That is my VR for Leanna over at It's a Deal. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye, guys.